Ayan guys, mag-unboxing yung asawa ko. Tingnan natin kung ano ito i-unbox niya. Kasi may package na dumating. And then, we will see what it is. Ayan. What is that?
Aerospace. Hercules.
For what it is?
It is a pressed air tool for digging.
Yeah. What more?
For damaging cement.
We will wait guys until it will become unboxing. He said it is for digging in the soil or yeah guys, this is the one here.
Driven by high pressure air.
Yeah, it is. If you use it digging in the soil, you use it with air pressure. And this is the one, the holder.
Used by
Yeah, that is the holder. Marami siyang use guys. May pala, may pang ano, yung pangsira ng cement. Pag gamitin mo ito guys, kailangan yung may air pressure. Yan. May connector siya ng air dito guys. Oh. Ito oh. Air pressure dito mag-connect. Para magamit mo. Mabilisan yung trabaho. Yan yung pang-dig.
for digging.
For digging the soil. The other one, what it is?
For damaging cement.
That is for damaging the cement.
Also,
Yeah, that one guys. It's easy. I think this one is easy to use.
yeah,
Because you can use it with air pressure. So the work is
not so hard.
not so hard. And for what is that?
You can screw it, and then you can remove how it's called,
Remove the
for example, ice on the road,
for
Or-
scratching.
scratching, or remove
I don't know what is the good term on it. And what is the other one?
also for cement or wood.
Yeah, that is the 4 tools that belong to this equipment.
But here, I forgot the screws.
But you need air pressure if you work it in the garden or in the something you work in the cement area. Try to build. It's easy to build guys. You only put it push and then it is connected already to the holder. You only push it down. Push it down and then put it.
Come along.
And then he will try now to use it in the garden with the pala. Here guys, you only push it, this one you push it down so that this one you can connect it, and then when it is inside already, you push it back so that it will not remove. it will not drop this one. This one. And now here is the connector of the air. Show the connector, and then you only push this one, and then you can start digging na already. It is pain in the, is so loud, and pain in the ears. And that one, guys, that is his new equipment for working in the garden. It's easy, guys. You remove the air connector, and then it's easy to use. Same to the other other tools, guys. You can also push it down and then put the other tools. So it's easy. It's easy to use. And now he will try it, but it's too loud. He will try it to use. Yan, guys, that is the one already. It's the new tools, so it's not hard for me to do in the garden. This is our garden, guys, where I plant vegetable flowers here. Started there. That one is it's my area to plant vegetable in summer. And this one, that is my garden. But for now, we will not do garden yet because it's too cold. And this one, guys, you know what is this plant? This is strawberry. I hope they bear fruits this summer. That is my garden, guys. Here, it's my garden. And here we have a compost. Here where we put our rest foods. Here is our compost. That one, I use it on summer to put here as a fertilizer in my garden. And this is the new tools. You see, guys, my husband want to try it here, so it's not hard for me to dig in the garden now because we have tools already for digging. And now here my husband want to try it, and he fixed tools for the air connector. We will see how it's work. I hope it will work good.
Me too.
Proper good working. We will see. Here we are now. Here we are now. But it's short.
No.
Here. He just only connect. Very nice. You see, you cannot remove now. Yeah, it's nice really, guys, but it's too loud. Guys, nasubukan na ng asawa ko. Ayan, tapusin na natin ito. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!